And then someone asks about how to control allergies. Allergies, first of all, you want to be on an anti-inflammatory diet. Really important. It's like a Mediterranean diet or a paleo diet or something like that. And the allergies, my favorite things are bromelain, which is an enzyme that you take away from meals. So it is made from pineapple, and you would take it away from meals so it can go in and work. It's not going to be, if you take it with a meal, it's going to go in and digest the meal that you had. If you take it away from a meal, it's going to go in and break up all the inflammation in the body. And this is also great for arthritis, by the way. But that is great. And then quercetin. Now, quercetin, we were using this with COVID. We saw great benefits for anti-inflammatory with COVID. So you're having a histamine response, right, with allergies. So quercetin, about 1,000 milligrams, can be very helpful. Bromelain is usually whatever's on the label. I tell people to take, and then you just do that a couple times a day, at least like between maybe lunch and dinner, breakfast and lunch and dinner. It goes in and kind of cleans up all the debris and all the inflammation.